Welcome to our roundup of the best dash cams available. Whether you're looking for crystal clear recordings, reliable parking surveillance, or advanced safety features, these top dash cams deliver performance, durability, and smart technology. In this video, we'll break down each model's video clarity, night vision performance, and parking mode capabilities, so you can pick the perfect one for your car. Don't forget to check the description for the latest deals and links. Let's jump right in and find the ideal dash cam for your needs. The first on the list is the ImageBond 4K dash cam. This camera is perfect for drivers who want stunning 4K Ultra HD video, capturing every road detail from traffic signs to license plates with remarkable clarity. Its 170-degree wide-angle lens reduces blind spots and ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. The Super Night Vision technology, featuring a Sony sensor and f1.8 aperture lens, records sharp, clear footage even in low light or challenging conditions. The dash cam also includes built-in Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to easily download, view, and share recordings on your smartphone without removing the SD card. The G sensor automatically detects collisions or sudden impacts, saving footage to prevent overwriting, while loop recording continuously manages storage space for long trips. Overall, the ImageBond 4K dash cam offers a combination of exceptional clarity, smart connectivity, and reliable safety, making it ideal for both daily commuters and long-distance travelers. Next up is the HP dash cam, designed for drivers who value smooth, dependable recording. It delivers full high definition at 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp and fluid footage even at high speeds. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens provides maximum road coverage, reducing blind spots, while Wide Dynamic Range (WDR) technology balances exposure in bright and dark areas to maintain clear visibility at all times. Built-in GPS tracks your vehicle's speed and location, providing accurate evidence in case of an incident. The dash cam also includes motion detection for parking mode, which activates automatically when movement is detected near your car. A large 3-inch LCD screen makes playback and menu navigation straightforward, and the adhesive mount allows flexible positioning on your windshield. Overall, this model delivers high-quality video, reliable GPS tracking, and continuous security, making it an excellent daily driving companion. Next, we have the Viofo A119V3, a favorite among dashcam enthusiasts for its superior performance. Equipped with the Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, it records in 2K quad high definition, ensuring crystal clear footage during both day and night. The advanced parking mode uses buffered recording to capture several seconds before and after an impact, so you never miss critical events when your car is parked. Its supercapacitor power supply offers enhanced heat resistance and longevity compared to battery-powered cameras, making it ideal for hot climates or extended use. The Viofo A119V3 also includes GPS logging for precise speed and location tracking, while the CPL filter reduces glare from sunlight or reflective surfaces on the windshield. Overall, the Viofo A119V3 delivers premium video quality, long-term durability, and reliable performance, making it perfect for everyday driving and long-distance trips. Coming up next is the Sherway 3-channel dash cam, designed for drivers who want complete coverage of their vehicle. This system records the front, interior, and rear views simultaneously, making it perfect for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who prioritizes full security. The front camera records in 4K, while the interior and rear cameras capture in full HD, ensuring every angle is monitored with excellent clarity. Its infrared night vision works exceptionally well inside the car, producing clear footage even in total darkness. The advanced parking surveillance system automatically records motion or impact events when your vehicle is unattended. Built-in Wi-Fi and app integration allow instant access to recordings and settings on your smartphone. Additional features include loop recording, a G sensor for emergency saving, and voice control for hands-free operation. The included hardwire kit ensures seamless installation and professional integration. Overall, the Sherway 3-channel dash cam provides all-around protection, advanced monitoring, and reliable performance, making it ideal for drivers who want complete peace of mind. The last one on our list is the Kokum UHD 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, a top-tier option for drivers who want professional-grade video and smart functionality. It features ultra-high-definition 4K recording with a wide 170-degree lens, capturing even the smallest details on the road, from license plates to traffic signs. The AI-powered night vision optimizes low-light scenes automatically, providing bright, clear footage in all conditions. Its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS tracking allow easy sharing of videos and accurate route logging via the mobile app. Voice control enables hands-free operation, letting you take snapshots, lock videos, or start recording without taking your hands off the wheel. The dash cam also includes a 24-hour parking mode that uses motion detection and time-lapse recording to protect your vehicle when parked. Sleek and discreet, it blends into your windshield, while the interface makes setup and adjustment simple. Overall, the Qualcomm UHD 4K Wi-Fi dash cam delivers exceptional clarity, smart features, and long-lasting reliability, making it perfect for drivers seeking maximum protection and convenience. So that wraps up our list of the best dash cams. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check the description below for all the latest product links. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.